Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're driving from Shortwood to Half Way Tree. Now Shortwood is this part of Shortwood. This is Shortwood Road that we're on. It's a residential area, or mostly residential. You have the Shortwood Teachers College at the end of the road, but we're on Shortwood Road heading towards the intersection of Shortwood Road and Olivier Road. So on the right now is the Shortwood Teachers College, on the left is what you call the musical avenues for it's a part of Cherry Gardens, but you have like Chaplin Avenue, Chopin Avenue, Brahms Avenue, Mozart. They're all named after musical people, so they call them the musical avenues. On the right is the Shortwood Teachers College field, on the left that's Harmony Close. Now if we turn left here, we stay on Shortwood Road. If we turn right, we go onto Olivier Road. So if we turn right, we would go towards the Manor Park area. So we're going left and staying on Shortwood Road. Now we're now passing Hall Boulevard, and that will take us into the Ilsham area. On the left is the Stella Maris Church, and then beside it on the left is the Stella Maris School, very prominent prep school in Jamaica. And then on the right now, beside the school, you have the Stella Maris Convent. Most of the schools in Jamaica are affiliated with a church. So it's not uncommon to have a church next to the school. And okay, here now if we turn left, we go into Arcadia. If we turn right, we go into the Allardyce area. Okay, straight ahead on the right, that's that building belongs to the Ministry of Health. And when COVID just hit Jamaica, that was one of the places people would quarantine if they got COVID. On the left is the Shortwood United Church. We're now entering the area of Grandspan. It's a very large area between Shortwood and Barbican. Okay, so now we are now at the intersection with Grandspan Road. If we turn left, we'll take Grandspan Road down to the police station and eventually down to Barbican. If we turn right, we take Grandspan Road up to Constant Spring Road. And if you go straight, we stay on Shortwood Road. You can see that black car just blatantly ran the red light. Alright, so we're going to turn left on Upper Waterloo Road now. at this intersection, if we turn left, we'll go onto Old Church Road, and that will take us into the Drum Blair area, and Drum Blair will lead us back to Barbican and Grandspent. But we're going to go straight and stay on Upper Waterloo Road. Now, the most popular location on Upper Waterloo Road is probably Mega Mart, which is straight ahead. On the right, you see that sign Ligor Business Center. That's where the Peppers nightclub done. It wasn't a nightclub, but that was where the Peppers bar was. Very popular location in Kingston. But it closed down and they turned the spot into a plaza. Straight ahead is the Fontana Pharmacy, and there's a Starbucks and a Wendy's over there. Now that land was what they used to call the cholera cemetery. A couple hundred years ago there was a cholera outbreak in Jamaica, and that's where they buried the persons that had cholera. Okay, we're now going on to Waterloo Road, and on the left is the Canadian Embassy. Now on the right, we're passing the Terranova Hotel, and their building on the left is the Coconut Board. On the right, Terranova is building some high-rise apartments, but I guess it would be a part of the hotel. And then that tall building that you see on the right is 20 South. It's a residential building, and we're now passing the intersection with South Avenue. On the left is the German Embassy. On the right, we just passed the Salvation Army building or office. Okay, on the right here, they're building a Burger King, and they're building a plaza over there as well. But Burger King will be over there. Now, this intersection, if we go straight, we go on to Trafalgar Road. If we turn left, we take Hope Road up to Ligani, and if we turn right, we take Hope Road down to Half Way Tree. Alright, so we're now on Hope Road, and straight ahead you can see straight ahead is the Half Way Tree area. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Remember to like, share and subscribe. Have a good day.